All right. Hi, Adam. My name is
Hello.
Maggie, and I'm just going to take a look at your mouth, your face, make sure everything's looking good, okay?
Okay.
So first, I'm just going to look at your face straight on. So here I'm just looking for making sure it's symmetric, his eyes, his ears, his mouth, his nose, making sure everything's looking symmetric. And then I'm going to have you turn to the side so I can see the profile of your face. Again, just making sure everything looks symmetrical here. His facial, like the bony structures of his face, his cheeks, making sure it all looks correct. And then, okay, you can face me again. I'm going to have you open your mouth, and I'm going to look for a few different things in here. So I'm looking at his uvula, I'm looking at his upper, or his palate, his velum, his teeth, making sure his dental, everything looks good in there. His tongue, I'm just taking a look at everything here. So everything looks good. Can you say ah, ah, ah? So in that, I'm looking at his velum to make sure it's rising with every time he says which it was. So if I had a mirror, a dental mirror right now, I would go ahead and look at the roof of his mouth to look for any holes or fissures, anything up there, which he doesn't have. So it's just easier with a mirror. All right, and sorry. Okay, so now I just want you to close your lips, bite down like your normal bite, and then open, still biting, but your mouth open, and I'm going to pull your cheek out, and here I'm just looking at making sure his bite looks normal, which it does, and then I want you to, with your tongue, just stick it out for me, and then pull back, and then touch the roof of your mouth, and then down. Good. And then I want you to push your tongue out to your cheek, like this. Other side. Okay, I'm gonna feel. Just resist. Okay. Good. And then I want you to move your tongue back and forth. Good. Okay. So all of that looks normal. Go ahead and puff your cheeks for me. Don't let me push it in. Good. So just looking for strength there. Now smile. Good. Now purse your lips together. Good. Now alternate smile. Good. Okay. Now I want you to say pa 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 pa.
Pa 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 pa.
Good. Ka 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 ka.
Ka 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 ka.
Ta 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 ta.
Ta 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 ta.
Good. Now I want you to put all three of them together. Patika patika patika.
Patika patika patika.
Good. Good. Okay. And then the last thing I'll have you do is go ahead and take a drink for me, and I want you to tell me where your tongue is when you take your drink.
Kind of curls up to the top.
Okay, so it goes up. It doesn't go forward or down.
I don't think so.
Okay, good. All right, so that's all for the oral mech, and then I'm going to do a few other things just to check to see if you're having any air escape your nose whenever you're saying certain sounds. So I'm going to put this mirror under your nose, and I just want you to say all of your vowels, A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. So I didn't see any fogging of the mirror, so that's a good sign. And then this last one is called the pinch nose test, and I just want you to say E and hold it.
E.
Good. So with that one, if it would sound different when I pinch his nose, that would be also a sign for hypernasality. That's all.